Welcome to the Yukon River. The SS Klondike National. It says so right on there. Wow, someone in Whitehorse has a thing for Marge.
Well, duh.
But looks like they signed it with my name. That ain't me. This is a fun little attraction that's open in the summer months, except this past year. Just a little train that shuttles tourists up and down the banks of the Yukon. But it's expensive to run and doesn't pay for itself. So unfortunately, it doesn't always run. Welcome to downtown Whitehorse, and that's the train station that used to receive people coming in from Skagway and the Pacific Coast, the White Pass and Yukon route, which I rode on in 2012. It's in my channel somewhere. And here's Main Street, Whitehorse. And this is the other Main Street, 2nd Avenue. Up that way. Alright, it is not noon, it is not midnight, it's about 10 to 3. But the sun is already dipping down in the west. We're very north, so their days are very short. They're only getting shorter this time of year for about the next month. So, cute little town. It's actually a full-out city of 20 to 30,000. The only city the Yukon officially has. And right up there on that bluff, that's where the airport and the Alaska Highway are, just up that way. It would take 29 hours to drive from Vancouver to Whitehorse, according to Google Maps. So at my speed, that's more like 12 hours. Nah, just kidding. But still, it is ridiculously long. But I'm not really that cold. It is below freezing, but I'm doing fine. I got my awesome shirt that I bought here forever ago at the Alaska Highway, so it actually has Alaska and the Yukon on it. And in fact, you can buy it again at the Midnight Sun Emporium right down there, which is where I just bought a whole bunch of little knickknacks and things for my journal. Might be in a plane that small later on this trip. Wonder where in the bush they are going to. We are at a local brewery called Woodcutter's Brewery. I'm gonna try the double IPA.
I haven't had it in a while. That's why when you were talking, I was like, let's try it.
Already got my water.
Only because I can't afford it. Okay.
So I think
That is strong. That'll warm me up outside. And in here.